Hi, my name is Carol. I am an AR technician here at ACCU. Today we'll be going over your payment options for the portal. So once you are logged into your portal, you are going to go to your dashboard, and then you're going to see a payment option that says payments. There's actually 3 payment options that you have. There's a button that says one-time payment. There's a little box that's going to pop up. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions. You will scroll to the bottom of the page. There is where you will have 2 payment options. The Pay by eCheck, that is free of charge using your bank account and routing number. The Pay by Card feature, there is a fee based on the amount that is used to pay your HOA dues. We highly recommend using the ACH so you can trust that your payments are being paid on time. Please feel free to reach out to ACCU with any of your questions or concerns.